To automatically change WhatsApp theme based on your phone setting in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting, tap chat. Under display section, tap theme, select system default, and then tap OK button to save the change. When you select this option, your WhatsApp theme will be set to the theme that matches with your device setting. As the example, if you set your phone to use light mode, then your WhatsApp theme will be set to light theme also, so that it will match with your phone setting. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.